Taurus, what's up? What's up? I'm back with another reading. This is for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let's see what's going on in your love life from the 1st to the 10th of October 2021. If you need a personal reading, all that information is going to be down below. You can DM me on Instagram or you can send me an email. All right, this is for Taurus. This is for Taurus. What's going on in your love life from the 1st to the 10th of October 2021. All right. How do you see yourself in this connection, Taurus? How do you see yourself in this connection, Taurus? How do you see yourself in this connection? How does this person see themselves in this connection with Taurus? How does this person see themselves in this connection with Taurus? Okay. What is the current situation between Taurus and the person they're dealing with? What is the current situation between Taurus and the person they're dealing with? Emperor, I like it. I like it very, very much. You know what I'm getting here? This person here is super duper passionate about you. Okay, now this person here is getting that into that. They're reviving that passion out here. Okay, this person is likely to get things done quickly. All right, they're physically very attracted to you, very passionate about you. This person now has that self-confident warrior energy. Okay, that's a very headstrong man here, or a energy here that's coming towards you, Taurus. Okay, you on the other hand here with the Justice in reverse here, you feel things are not fair, things are not balanced. Someone probably cheated, betrayed you, or something you were just not treated fairly. Okay, right now you're at a point where you're not still thinking logically. You're still letting external factors sway you from the undeniable facts that something didn't work out. You're still not ready to cut this person out here, which is why you're still sitting here and moping. Now what's happening here is that this person out here is wanting to take in and control of the situation here with the Emperor here. Someone here wants to offer you structure, stability, security. This is someone here who's definitely thinking long term, okay, wanting to build a strong foundation out here. But with the King of Wands here, this person is not going to stop. They're zoned in on you, and they're making like a very good judgment about this. All right, and that's a very charismatic person out here. Okay, but someone with authority. All right, but this person out here is ready to take action. Okay, no more being laid back and passive out here. How does Taurus view this connection with the person they're dealing with? How does Taurus view this connection? 8 of Cups in reverse. See, baby doll, you can't walk away here. You can't walk away. You're still not being able to walk away here. You need to get or find the emotional strength to walk away from something that does not make you happy. Now, this is telling me a lot of things here. You have the fear of being abandoned. You probably are clinging on to someone out here, okay? But there's this unwillingness to move on from this person out here. You fear change, okay? You're not facing your emotions here. But there is this lack of leaving situations, okay, which don't serve you, okay? So this is just you're taking action of sticking into a relationship based on temporary feelings out here, okay? But that's what it is. Tell me, how does this person view this connection with Taurus? How does this person view this connection with Taurus? How does this person view this connection with Taurus? Okay. This person's holding back from commitment out here, okay? This person knows with the Hermit in reverse and the 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Now you're dealing with someone here who's just trying to run away from reality. The reality is that if they want to make things happen with you, then they better get their shit together. But right now what's happening here is that this person is being very lonely, very isolated, okay? And this person is missing opportunities with you here, okay? They also know that there's a lack of commitment, stability, security here. Tradition could be a problem between both family, friends, a lot of other people coming between you, but most of all tradition and family is coming between you guys, okay? Maybe you guys don't belong to the same religion or whatever it is, but this person could be either non-committal and someone here who is absolutely running from the reality, okay? This person's grieving alone, okay? There's extreme isolation here, but because they're so isolated, right, they're slowly they're losing a grip on reality, you know, because of the amount of time that they spend in isolation here. Okay, this person is living in denial here. That's what's happening here. They know they need to do what they want to do, but Okay. But still, this person's going to try and they're holding back now. They're holding back. What is the mutual energy between Taurus and the person they're dealing with? Wheel of Fortune. You all both think that something's not working out here. Misfortune, bad luck, okay? Both of you all are not talking. There could be a lack of communication here, okay? But there's definitely here where there are negative changes, okay? And both of you all probably feel that the wheel is never going to be in your favor, okay? This is like where luck is just not on your side. You're going through a lot of frustrating delays, okay? A lot of turbulence, a lot of disturbance in this connection here. Both of you all are feeling it, okay? But both of you all feel that you guys are losing and you both are at the mercy of fate, okay? It's like you're forced to leave the entire situation on the universe, okay? It's like, fine, let be, let God, all right? That's how it is here. But both of you all feel very helpless right now. One more thing I'm getting here is that both of you all are waiting for change. The change isn't happening and both of you are just waiting there, sitting with the Four of Swords. You know, you both are just trying to avoid drama or conflict. It's like, you know what, fuck it. If it's not working out, fuck it. If it's working out, good. If it's not, screw it. What is the root of the issue for Taurus and the person they're dealing with? What is the root of the issue? What is the root of the issue for Taurus and the person they're dealing with? What is the root of the issue? What is the root of the issue here? Say, this person wants to keep coming back around, baby. See, what's happening here is, first of all, you're dealing with someone here who's very, very, very logical, very analytical. This person does not like to make any head over heart over head decisions. This person is very detached, very cold, okay, in their vibes, very intellectual, okay. So they always want to keep constantly thinking as, like, you know, they want to weigh the things very objectively here. Okay, this person is also, they lack impulsiveness, okay. So what happens here is, in their mind, they've made up their mind and they probably taking consideration of all, analyzing the weak points and the risk out here, they probably are holding back their emotions, okay. And this person here is very controlled, all right. So very ethical out here, yes, but at the same time they're very cold in their vibes, okay, which is why your coming off is probably more emotional, because if you were logical, you would have had the justice in upright here. You're still making decisions where you're being swayed by other factors, say emotions or ego or whatever it is. This person out here, they keep coming back around, okay, with the Page of Wands here. Now this person here wants to travel with you, all right, is what I'm getting here. They want to travel with you. They want to keep it all fun and light and games. All right, this person is seeking adventure. That's like a fiery, impulsive kid. All right, very confident, very energetic. Okay, they're changing their direction. All this while they were probably doing something else. Now they're changing their direction, coming towards you. Okay, but it's a very high youthful energy out here. Okay, and they are still doing what they kept doing, repeating the same old bullshit over and over again. Now it's like this person knows that what they're doing is the wrong thing to do. All right, they know it, but they are refusing change, which is why they keep repeating the patterns here, okay, which is why things get stagnant, which means again doing the same thing over and over again with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse here, not learning your lessons. All right, so this person could be going through some internal private transformation here, okay, but things are taking a lot longer to change only because this person is holding on to the past, or they are resisting change. They're very scared of change, like, oh my god, will I really have to change the way I think, really have to change my entire life if I want to be with Taurus? No, why don't I do one thing? Why don't I just take a break? Why don't I just keep ghosting Taurus and then come back to them with a new energy out here? Hey, let's do this. Hey, let's do that. Yeah, I love you. Let's do this, blah, 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 you know? Because there's a lot of passion from this person's side. And you are more like, no, passion is fine, but where is something legal? I want something fair. I want something that I deserve, and I'm not going to settle for anything less out here. So it's like they very conveniently live in denial that there is a lack of commitment here, and they want to keep coming towards you like, okay, you know what, this time around, let's just make it right here. But they don't talk to you about it clearly. They just make it all fun, okay? So which is why the moment you start getting clingy towards them, again, they ghost you, okay? What does Taurus feel deep down for this person? What does Taurus feel deep down for this person? What does Taurus feel deep down for this person that they're dealing with? What does Taurus feel deep down for this person? Okay. You want to give up on this person out here, or you already are. You feel this is a losing game, okay? You feel you don't have the strength out here. But at the same time out here, ask yourself, are you genuinely making a decision here to let this person go, or are you still sticking to your comfort zone, not making a logical decision and just trying to choose to stick to a connection only because it's known or because it's familiar? You have the whole world in front of you, you have the entire globe in front of you, but you are avoiding making a decision because you have the fear of the unknown, or because you just fear losing this person out here, or you're just sticking to your comfort zone. All right, so yeah, you do know that you're losing out here, you're not going to be able to fight for this connection, you're giving up, you're lacking the strength to hold on to this, but at the same time you're not even making a decision here to completely let this person go. How does this person feel for Taurus? Okay, it got disconnected. I'm so sorry. How does this person feel for Taurus? Queen of Swords. Yeah, obviously, this person wants to communicate with you, all right? But deep down, they know that if they don't come towards you correct, you are going to cut their head the fuck off. This person here feels they're being assertive this time around, okay? But I mean, they realize that they have to make a very no bullshit approach towards you, okay? So they know you have your healthy boundaries up, okay? And they know that you're very independent and you don't need their approval. They know that you're not afraid to rock the boat out here, okay? So yeah, when they come towards you, I feel they feel deep down that you're going to be very direct and to the point, okay? So yeah, they know that you can't be fooled easily. But with the Eight of Wands, this person definitely wants to communicate with you, and they want a lot of communication back and forth. But again, here with the Seven of Swords here, are they being clear about what they want? Are they being clear about their intentions? Are they telling you everything? Are they being honest about why they're coming back? Nada. What action will Taurus take towards this person that they're dealing with? What action will this person take towards Taurus? No, sorry, my bad. What action will Taurus take towards this person that they're dealing with? What action will this person take towards Taurus? Why do you keep saying that? What action will Taurus take towards the person that they are dealing with? What action will Taurus take towards the person they are dealing with? What action will Taurus take towards the person they are dealing with? King of Cups. Beautiful. Keep loving them. What action will this person take towards Taurus? 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 Moving forward. What action will this person take towards Taurus? Moving forward. 10 of Wands in reverse. This person here is letting go of a burden stress. So now, if you have been in no communication with this person here, this is becoming too much of a pressure for them. Okay, they feel it's too much, they're getting bogged down, all right, by not talking to you. It's becoming a heavy load on them, okay, by not talking to you, or this relationship out here where there is just no clarity out here. This person out here finally is going to let go of the burdens, okay? They're going to break under pressure. So continue doing what you're doing out here. You're giving up and now they're standing up for it, is what I'm getting here, okay? So they're probably kind of, I'd say they're ending the burdens out here, whatever burdens. Now, if this person was very occupied with other responsibilities, they're letting that go. If this connection was a big burden on them, not in a bad way, but in a way where you're not talking to them and they're not getting anything from you, it's becoming too much, they're letting it go here, okay? And I feel this person is ready to come towards you and communicate, okay? So there will be communication from this person here with the Page of Pentacles, and they want to work on this connection here. But the problem here is with the Two of Swords here, are you going to make a decision? I don't even know. I think you're going to flat out block them out. Although with the King of Cups here, you do love them, but this love is the quiet love, right? It's like the quiet love. It's like the silent love. Like, yeah, I love you, but I'm not going to tell you, So probably the way you will behave with this person when this person communicates with you is like, yeah, screw you. Or you're just going to be like, your silence is going to say screw you to them. But yeah, I don't think you're going to tell them how you really feel, but except me. But this person definitely knows what you feel deep down, okay? And they're just wanting to come towards you. But they're still doing it very sneakily, still not telling you. It's still the half truth when they come towards you. So I think this person here has a habit of coming back towards you over and over again, okay? And not addressing the fact that there is a lack of commitment here and how much it hurts you, because they know it'll be too much drama. The moment there's drama, the Page of Wands runs away, all right? What is the best, what is the immediate future for Taurus? What is the immediate future for Taurus and their connection with this person? What is the immediate future for Taurus and the connection with this person? What is the immediate future for Taurus and their connection with this person? What is the immediate future for Taurus and their connection with this person? Reconciliation, beautiful Ace of Wands here. Baby, this person is more than passionate about you, okay? Yeah, they're going to invest, okay? Now, let's not talk too much, let's not be very mean to them also, okay? What I like about here is that, yes, there is a brand new beginning between you both. Relax, okay? There is a brand new beginning between you both here. There is a stronger commitment and stability in love from this person's side. This person does seek long-term success with you, okay? They do favor outdoors. They do want to get out for you, with you. They do want a holiday with you. They want to get out, all right? They want to travel, etc. It is a good beneficial stage for a relationship to develop. I like that, okay? With the Three of Cups here, I feel there will be a reconciliation here. Either you guys are catching up, you guys are meeting up, you guys are getting back together here, okay? But this is the Three of Cups here, okay? Which is more like, I wouldn't lie, but it is friend zoning, all right? Where yes, I love you, you love me, but I'm not going to tell you, you don't tell me, okay? But we'll still act like friends, but at the same time, deep within, we're lovers, okay? But with the Ace of Wands here, there is a lot of passion out here, and there is a clean new slate that's starting, a clean new chapter starting between you both here. And lot of passion, lot of chemistry within the relationship here. There is commitment here to succeed, but the commitment here to succeed is more like, I want to meet you. I want to start all brand new. Let's just forget what happened in the past. So there's no more all talk, no action. There is finally talk also, and there's going to be action also from this person's side, okay? This person's finally going to get the willpower and strength to move towards you, and there will be forward movement in this connection here, all right? And with the Page of Pentacles, I do like it because this person's going to reach out to you, and Three of Pentacles here, they're going to try and work it out with you, okay? Like, let's just meet halfway is what I'm getting here, okay? But Three of Cups here, there is a reconciliation here. You know what? I want to see the Emperor here. What's the Emperor in the current situation? What's the Emperor in the current situation? This is you or is this them? What's the Emperor in the current situation? What's the Emperor in the current situation? Six of Wands in reverse. So then maybe this is just you. You know, maybe this is just you trying to get out of your head here, releasing any stress-free anxiety here. But the Emperor is structure, right? That's all about wanting a solid foundation here. So maybe this person is coming towards you with a solid foundation, but again, there's a lack of confidence. There's a lack of self-esteem here, okay? This person here probably is too stuck up on the past out here, okay? So there could be a little bit of ego here. Anyways, the Emperor is someone who's very egoistic here, okay? But with the Six of Wands in reverse here, it's more like two steps forward. No, it's like one moving backwards, but then it's like one step forward, two steps backward. Did I make sense? Get what I'm saying? That's what's happening here. This person wants to take control of the situation right now, okay? But it's still like moving forward, but then again moving backward too, okay? Could be arrogant, could be ego, but someone out here is probably definitely missing the tension out here, okay? They lack the tension, they don't feel praised by you, but yeah, could be someone here who's an attention seeker, all right? Not getting that so much here, but this is what it is. What's the Six of Wands in reverse? Four of Wands. There's a lack of recognition here when this person comes in, is what I'm getting. You don't give them the attention when they come in, is what I'm getting here. Maybe this person has commitment on their mind, but they're not ready for it. They want to take it very slow, okay? It's like, I want to do a lot more, achieve a lot more with you before I can settle down with you. What's the Death in reverse? What's the Death in reverse? See, they want a short-term solution here. Extremist, you're dealing with an extremist here, which is why this person does not want to change their ways here. You know, this person's like, now they have two choices here. Either they completely commit to you and change themselves absolutely, or then they're completely absolutely on the other side, non-committal, and they continue doing what they're doing. And that's what they're doing here. This person lacks balance, you know. It's like either one-footed or one foot out. They don't understand what moderation is. That's the kind of person you're dealing with. So when they rush in, they're rushing like that, you know. And when they leave, they're absolutely out of your life. So there is no midway here. Like, you won't ever be like constantly in flow with touch with them, you know. So when you're talking, there'll be so much of communication. And when they're not talking, you'll just feel like they just disappear from the fucking face of earth. Okay. So that's what I have for you, Taurus. All right. And see you. Bye-bye.